Hari Om children, this is exercise number 7.3, sum number 2. Nathan, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached to its end. A cylinder with two cones attached to both of its ends. I have drawn the diagram here. With the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. So diameter for the cone and the cylinder both are same only, because the mouth both the shapes mouth are attached together. So diameter is 3 centimeter. Diameter is 3 centimeter, so that the radius will be 3 by 2 centimeter. I'll write it here also. Radius R is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. For the cone also, radius R is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. And its length is 12 centimeter. Length means the total length. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter. So cone's height is 2 centimeters. Let me draw it. The height, if each cone has a height 2 centimeter. So I am writing the height here. Height is equal to 2 centimeter. And the total height is, length is 12 centimeter. Okay. Including the cylinder and both the cones, it is 12 centimeter. Height is equal to 2 centimeter. Now I have to find the height of the cylinder alone. Height of the cone is h is 2 centimeter. Okay. I need to find what is the height of the cylinder. So from here to here it is 2. From here to here it is 2. Height of the cylinder is equal to 12. From this part to this part alone is the height, okay, of the cylinder. So 12 minus 4. I'll get 8 centimeter. All the calculations must be done here itself in the picture, okay. So height is equal to, height of the cylinder is 8 centimeter. Now I need to find the volume of the model that Nathan made. So volume of the model is equal to volume of the two cones plus volume of the cylinder. Volume of two cones plus volume of cylinder. Two cones in the sense 2 into volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units, plus volume of the cylinder formula is pi r squared h cubic units. If you draw the picture and write this measurement separately, it will be easy for you to take the common parts outside and substitute in the formula. Clear, children? Now 2 into 1, I will write it as 2 by 3. Okay. Pi I can take common outside. R both are same, right? Here also r squared, here also r squared. So r squared I'll take it outside. And h differs in both the formulas. So pi r squared only will be outside. The remaining 2 into 1 is 2 by 3 h plus pi r squared is outside plus h. Okay. Centimeter cube. Now substitute. 22 by 7 into r squared is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 into h. This h is for cone. Cone h is 2 centimeter. Plus this h is for the cylinder. Cylinder is 8 centimeter. You should substitute it correctly. Okay. So now cancelling part. 2 and 2 will go off. Remaining 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So here also don't cancel anything. Let it be as such. 11 into 3 into 3 divided by 7 into 2. Now I'll take LCM. 3 will be your LCM. 2 2s are 4 plus 8 3s are 24. Now here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 24 plus 4 I'll get 28. So 11 into 3 into 28 divided by 7 into 2. 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28. Cancel it 4 times, again cancel it 2 times. After cancelling only, after simplifying everything only, you have to multiply. Then only it will be easy for you. 11 into 3 into 2. 11 3s are 33. 33 into 2, 66. 66 centimeter cube. So what will be the conclusion? Volume of the model that Nathan made is equal to 66 centimeter cube. There is another method of finding this, calculating the volume of the cylinder separately and volume of two cones separately and then adding it. Okay, that will be a very lengthy process. If you write like this and take the common ones outside, it will be easy for you to calculate. Okay children, so with this sum number 2 is completed. After completing it, underline the conclusion and draw line. Hari Om.